So in this video, you'll learn how to use the voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to launch the app, and to do that, just look for it in your home screen or in the apps drawer and look for the icon and launch it. Once it's been launched, if it's your first time using the app, then you'll need to allow the voice recorder to access the microphone as well as access any audio and video files on your phone. Once you've given all those permissions, you can now start using the voice recorder app. So when you're ready to start recording, just tap on this record icon here, and then you might be prompted to send notifications, so you can choose to allow or not allow, completely up to you. Then from here, you can now start recording. So you can see it's already taking my voice, so whatever it is that I'm saying is being recorded right here. If there's something that you need to say and you don't want it caught by the microphone, then you can just tap on this pause icon here to pause the recording and then say whatever it is that you want to say. And then when you're ready, you can just tap on start and then you can continue recording. If you want to listen to what you've just said so far, you need to pause the recording. Then you can just move this timeline back and you can tap on this play icon and you can listen to whatever it is that you want to say, you've said so far. If you want to rewrite over a certain area, again, you want to move the timeline to wherever it is it starts. Then you want to tap on start, and then whatever it is you say will replace what was there previously. So you can see the difference in red and the black. Black was the original, red is the new part. When you're ready to stop recording, so you've finished saying whatever it is that you want to say, and now you're ready to stop, all you need to do is just tap on this stop icon here, and then you'll be prompted to rename your recording. So let's say voice 1. Then you can choose what category you want to save it in. So by default it's set to none, but you can choose to tap on add category, and then you can give it a whole new category. So just say test and then tap on add. So this will make it easy for you to separate what type of voice recording it is. So if you have songs, you can have a category for songs. If you have interviews, you can have a category for interviews, all sorts of things. But once you've customized all of these, you can just tap on save. And then under the all recording section, you should see your brand new voice recording. And so that's how you can use the voice recorder app on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.